Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are sharing a very yummy recipe, which is quesadilla. So let's see how to make it. Our dough is ready for the quesadillas. If you want to know how to knead the dough, we have shared the link in the description box below. So separate the dough in small parts and roll it. Make a nice big chapati or big wrap from it. For kneading the dough, we have taken whole wheat flour and plain flour. Our big size wrap is ready now, so let's cook it. Pan is already heated, so let's put it in the pan. Nicely cook it on both of the sides. It's nicely cooked on both of the sides, so let's take it out now. In the same pan, add some oil. Spread the oil all over the pan. Put sliced onion on top. On top, add green pepper and stir it. Then add corn. Then add sliced sausages. Instead of adding sausages, you can add chicken, ham, bacon, or else you can skip sausages and have only vegetables. Then add pinch of black pepper powder, salt to taste. Let it fry for some while. Meanwhile, crack 2 eggs. Add pinch of salt in it and mix it. Take out all these fried veggies and sausages in a bowl. Again, we are using the same pan for frying the egg. So add little oil and put egg in it. Cook the egg for 10 to 15 seconds. Then add 1 tablespoon cheese on it. Then place a wrap on it. Cheese will help the wrap to stick on the egg. Now we have to flip it. Make sure the egg is fried on the bottom. Yeah, it's perfectly cooked. Again, sprinkle some cheese, but only on the half of the egg. In the same way, place fried sausages and the vegetables on the cheese. Nicely arrange it on the half part. Sprinkle some more cheese on top. Now we need to fold it and cook it until the wrap comes nice and cooked crisp. Once it is done from one side, turn it and do the same on the other side. See here, our sausages quesadilla is ready now. Enjoy it for your breakfast or evening snack. And comment us if you like it. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.